Do you know there's a one simple sentence that can make you sound instantly confident, whether in interviews, meeting, or casual conversations? So let me explain you why it works so powerfully. And the sentence is, that's a great question. Let me share my perspective. This sentence shows confidence because it buys you a moment to think. It acknowledges the other person point of view, and the most importantly, it really shows that you are really composed, thoughtful, and calm. And the person who are calm, who can communicate effectively, they don't rush to answer immediately. They have a great command over the thoughts, and they give the answer in a proper clarity and in a control way. So if you found that this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you really want to grow faster and to improve your communication skills, sign up for my course right away by clicking on my website www.growwithmoments.com. Until then, let's grow together. Bye bye.